you guys, so this is going to be the biggest transformation. I just want you all to fixate your eyes on the wall, okay? Right here is where your girl's new backsplash is going to go. It's no need for me to show you guys the whole kitchen because it's the same thing, okay? But right here, y'all, just check out this before, and then we're going to do it after. And then I want to show you guys what else we're going to be doing. When the people basically installed this, you guys see this? They did a terrible job at the quarter round. This was like this when we moved in here. So we're basically gonna take this off since it has some yellowing, and we're going to add a new bead of caulk right here. It's probably gonna be white or gray, not really sure yet. But yeah, we're gonna get rid of this old one that the prior owners didn't take good care of. And as you guys can see, right here, there's an opening, and you don't want to see that. You're actually not supposed to be seeing this at all. The caulk is actually supposed to change that, but like I said, you guys, this is an older home, so yeah, that's why it has that. But yeah, once we do that, we're gonna pop that bad boy off with some like bright white, and it's gonna make everything right. I'm so excited, you guys. So yeah, see, like stuff like this is what happens when you buy like an older home. So yeah, and I'm going to wipe off or try to degrease the wall, because right here is where I do most of my frying, you guys. So yeah, it goes down over on this side when it comes to the frying. But other than that, you guys, let's get started with this video. Go ahead and stay tuned, y'all. I'm really excited. And right here as well, you guys, this part of the stove, if anyone has any ideas on how to get rid of this, I tried easy off, and it's not working at all. It's not working. I've tried this, I've tried like scrubbing it. I'm not trying to get a new stove anytime soon, you guys, so I might just go ahead and get a stone cover, or I might make one myself. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that, just so I can get rid of that eyesore, because you know what I'm saying, you can't have a nice looking kitchen and, you know what I'm saying, a janky stove. So yeah, let's get started, you guys.
Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. No, but the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the pain, yeah, I was covered in a tidal wave, but I'm a fighter. Try to take me.
All right, you guys, I'm so sorry about the lighting. So I know y'all are probably wondering, girl, what type of tile did you decide to go with? And I decided to go with the penny tile, you guys. It's simple, but the reason why I like it, I don't know if you guys can see like how shiny it is, which means that when it's time to clean it, or if anything gets on it, it's gonna be so easy to just wipe off, and it's just so simple. But I like it. Sometimes people go overboard with the tile, but then, you know what I'm saying, sometimes you don't have to do all that if you know how to, you know what I'm saying, like, if you know how to, you know, put certain things in places. So something as simple as this is gonna make a tremendous statement, and I cannot wait to see what this is gonna look like when I put it up for you guys. But I just wanted to show you guys this is what we're going with. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started into this vlog, you guys. I'm not gonna do too much talking because this is just how I do it, you guys. It's not really gonna be like a how-to, but it's sort of like a, you know what I'm saying, transform my kitchen with me type of vibe. So go ahead and sit back, relax, you guys. If you guys are wanting like a full-blown like tutorial on what we're doing, just go ahead and drop that information down below, and I'll make sure that, you know, the future videos that we do from here on out, you know, to give you guys a little bit of insight and try to walk you guys through as best as I can. But like I said, I'm not a professional, so let's go ahead and get started to this video. And yeah, you guys, I'm excited, y'all. Let's do it.
Just do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. No, but the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the pain, yeah, I was covered in a tidal wave, but I'm a fighter. Try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see. die. You know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align. In the dead of night. You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, no, don't even. Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. No, but the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the pain, yeah, I was covered in a tidal.
All right, you guys, so this is how far we got so far. We're not done. We're gonna have to pick this up because as y'all can see, it is 6 o'clock, and right now with how the time changes, it gets darker sooner, so that means we lose daylight. So hopefully by this weekend we'll be able to pick up where we left off at. We still just got to do a little bit more up to here and right here, and then we will be done, you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna pull y'all back up. Stay tuned. I'm liking it so far, y'all. It look good. Listen, you guys, I want to let y'all know this part right here, the grouting part, oh my gosh, you guys, it was super tedious. So you guys are not going to see too many clips of this because our focus was just trying to get it done. I did not even have time to hold the camera. I did not have time to, you know, adjust it so that you guys could see the different angles. But you guys are going to see the completed, oh my goodness, why can't I get that out? The completed transformation here in a bit, you guys. So just sit back, relax. We almost there, y'all.
You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, no, don't even.
Alright, you guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. Listen, I do not recommend this for anyone. I mean, if you are able to hire someone, do it, because this takes a lot of elbow grease. And yeah, it's tedious, you guys, but we're getting there. You know what I'm saying? It's just hard work pays off, but we're not done. But let me tell you what, it's a lot of work that goes into this. It's not for the weak. So if you're not a worker or a perfectionist, please do not do this at home. We're not even done yet. So y'all know we got the gray in there. Still gotta do right here. And then we're gonna let some of that dry. And yeah, guys, but this is the update. I'll let y'all see when it's all completed and done. We almost there. All right, you guys, so this is the kitchen. So I have so much stuff that I'm still gonna update. So don't mind any of the appliances, like I said, like that. And like that, and some other stuff, y'all. I got some more stuff underneath my sleeves that you guys want to see, but here is the backsplash, you guys. This is my new baby right here. That is Bay right there. That is my new faucet, y'all. Woo, I love it. I love it. I love it. And this is what it looks like so far, you guys. We're basically done, you might as well say. We just got, you know, some little, you know, things to, you know, put up here and stuff like that, but this is the finished product, you guys, and I hope that you guys all enjoy. I am in love. Make sure to leave your comments down below. Make sure to like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, until next time, bye y'all. Alright, you guys, so I hope that you guys all enjoyed the video, and I also want to just stop and give a special shout out to my husband for getting together and doing this backsplash, because y'all, I wouldn't have known where to start with this backsplash, and for also installing my perfect sink faucet, you guys. I hope that you guys all enjoyed. And make sure you like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm getting tongue-tied here, okay? So go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, this is like the perfect Valentine's Day gift ever. I hope y'all love it as well. Bye.